Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve the today's LeetCode daily challenge. The question name is minimum initial energy to finish tasks. Question says that you are given an array tasks where tasks of I equal to actual I comma minimum I. Actual is the actual amount of energy you spent to finish the ith tasks, and minimum I is the minimum amount of energy you require to begin the ith tasks. For example, if the task is 10, 12, your current energy is 11 and you cannot start this task. However, if your current energy is 13, you can complete this task and your energy will be 3 after finishing it. You can finish the task in any order you like. Return the minimum initial amount of energy you will need to finish all the tasks. Okay, the question is simple that we are provided one array and every element of array having two parts, actual and minimum. So actual is the actual amount of energy after completing the tasks that is required, and minimum is the initial energy required for starting that task. Okay, so we have to complete all the tasks and required amount of energy we have to return. So for completing all these tasks we have initially minimum required 8 amount of energy. After completing this task our energy decreased by 4, so energy would become 4. Then we have 4 initial energy. After this completing task our energy will decrease with 2 and our energy would become 2, and in this task we have required 2 amount of energy and the output energy will remain 1. After this completing all the tasks our energy will remain 1 and we have required minimum 8 amount of energy. So in this way we can find that we have to calculate the minimum minus actual in decreasing order. In this way we have you choose the greedily. So our approach would be greedy approach. We will use sorting by the difference of the minimum minus actual, and after performing sorting we can calculate in this similar way. So what we have to do first, the task which having the difference greater with the minimum energy and actual energy would be done first. Choose optimally. So let's sort the tasks. Python sorting task dot sort equal to lambda is x colon. We have to sort on the basis of x of 1, which is our minimum energy, minus x of 0, which is actual energy. On the basis of minus actual we have to sort, and we have to sort in reverse order. Right,
well, I just want to be happy. How to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone.
After completing the sorting, we have to start to variable initialize variable energy, which represents the current energy. Initially take it 0, and our answer, that is the total amount of energy required to complete all the tasks. Let's iterate for the array for actual comma minimum in tasks. For actual comma minimum task we have to check whether if our energy is less than the minimum energy, then what we have to do, we have to find the required extra energy. So we can say our extra energy would be minimum minus energy. So that energy is required to complete the task is the extra energy. So we have to add this extra energy to our answer and give this extra energy to our energy plus equal to extra. So we will increment both, that we have to use this energy by actual. After completing the task our energy will be reduced, the value of with the value of actual. Okay, and finally we will return our answer. Now try to run this. That is accepted, and now I'm going to submit that. Querying environment, running test cases. It is accepted successfully, and it is a super fast greedy algorithm. So let's talk about the time complexity. So because we have used the sorting, so that required big O of and log n sorting time, and for the traversal we required big O of n time. So our worst case time complexity would be big O of n log n, and there is no extra space needed, so that space complexity is constant. Thank you for watching. Hope you understood that.